is I don't want, and knowing my situation is not unique. People are going through worse with more responsibilities brings me even more shame, showing my weakness and how I cannot even control my emotions. With bleach in my hand, hoping to shower, dress up and end it all. I was going to dress up because I didn't want my son to have to see me dead and naked before getting people to carry me out. While thinking of it, my son would not stop coughing. I was bothered greatly by that cough. I asked him why he was coughing, and he said he didn't know. He wasn't coughing when I entered the bathroom, but even though I am tired, I just had to go check up on my child. It is 2 a.m. on the 21st of November 2025 and I am tired, but I will check up on my son then cry myself to sleep. I can't leave him to go through life alone. And as I lay down and started feeling sleepy, I noticed my son wasn't coughing anymore, but I felt drowsy and tired to think about